They used to play Kipper on loop at a veterinary hospital. I used to just sit in front of that and just glaze over.
Oh, that's so cute. What? Yeah,
And then, okay, Kipper the dog. One more. How about Maisie the mouse? Did you watch Maisie the mouse?
Let me look it up real quick.
Maisie mouse.
The mouse.
Adorable.
Familiar, but I don't think this was one I regularly watched.
It had such satisfying. I think Maisie Mouse is what like awokened my odd like audio isms, like audio is satisfying noises, because Maisie Mouse show had really satisfying noises,
like ASMR.
Yeah, like the way she talked was like wait. Oh, maybe that's why I had such weird noises, because it's for toddlers. Oh, audio, toddler audio.